Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to set up the EIOTCLUB 3rd Generation Unlimited eSIM. Compared with previous generations, the new 3rd generation version works directly with both Android and iPhone devices. iPhone users no longer need a card reader or computer. Let's get started. Insert the EIOTCLUB eSIM physical card into your device. For the best experience, we recommend using SIM slot 1. Once the card is inserted, verify that the preloaded profile is connected to the network. A working internet connection is required to download and install additional eSIM profiles. If there is no network connection, enable data roaming and configure the APN according to your location. Next, download the EIOTCLUB app. You can download it in one of the following ways. Search EIOTCLUB in the App Store or Google Play. Scan the QR code provided. After installation, open the app. For first-time users, tap Create New Account. Enter your email address. Input the verification code sent to your email. Create a password. Select your country or region and preferred currency. Tap Next to complete registration. If you already have an account, simply sign in. Once logged in, the app may automatically detect your eSIM physical card. If prompted, tap OK to continue. If not detected automatically, tap Add. Scan or manually enter the ICCID number. Tap Next to confirm. Your eSIM card will now appear in the SIM card section. There are two ways to get an eSIM profile. If you already have a QR code or activation code, tap Add. You can scan a QR code using your phone camera, upload a QR code image from your photo gallery, or manually enter the activation code. After selecting your preferred method, tap Download and Install. If you haven't purchased an eSIM profile yet, you can do so directly from the eSIM shop within the app. Choose a local, regional, or global plan. Select your destination and data package. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. After purchase, the eSIM profile will automatically appear in your account. You can also use the preloaded eSIM profile that comes with your EIOTCLUB eSIM card. Simply top up the profile and start using it like a regular SIM card. We offer both local and international data plans to meet your everyday connectivity and travel needs. Return to the home page and refresh the list. Tap Remote to view all available profiles. Select the profile you want to use and tap the toggle button to activate it. Please wait a few moments for network registration. If the connection does not appear, verify that data roaming is enabled, the APN is correct, and the profile is active. If you'd like to verify the activation or switching result, open operation records to view the operation history and current profile status. First, make sure the eSIM profile is turned off. Then tap the name of the eSIM profile you want to delete. Enter the eSIM details page. Select Delete eSIM. Tap Submit to confirm. The eSIM profile will be permanently deleted from your device. Tap the eSIM name to open its settings. Go to the Settings or Management page. Select Delete eSIM card slot. Tap Submit to confirm. The eSIM card slot will be removed from your device. Thank you for watching. Your EIOTCLUB 3rd Gen Unlimited eSIM is now ready to use.